Introduction about what we know about millennials right now. It's kind of hard to pin down exactly because it's such a big group. So I'm going to give you a quick overview, and then we're going to go through some questions about how millennials and the way they use technology is going to affect travel in the coming years. So, our panel. If you guys could please introduce yourself, can we go from right to left? Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Is everyone okay? Can you raise your hand, please? Okay. All right. Well, Susie ค่ะ Sudi Pacharayan คือ I'm the founder of Sure to Trips platform. It's an SME platform which would provide a free. Okay, I'm talking about free. It means giving everyone to be a partnership. We would love to see that the new business models is to be a partnership promotion program on Sure to Trips. This is a short thing, that just would like to inform everyone in this room, hotels and tour operators. Welcome on board to work together as an SME. We will be a fast fish. We are not a big fish, but we can survive. Thank you.
สวัสดีครับ My name is Pai. I'm the founder of Local, a social enterprise that dedicated to developing local villages, local communities to organize visit tourism as a tool. So what basically we did is we do development work with local villages to prepare them to get ready to become tourists and operate their own tourism sustainably. And so we have tour operators and so we provide marketplace also. And also use the money from tourism to develop local issues in each village.
Hello, I'm Flora. I'm the Director of Digital Marketing for Central Arts and Resorts. And my role is essentially focused on providing online business to the group. So it goes to